Hello kids, how are you all? I'm back for you. It's for the standard 6 and English medium section, and there is a subject is GK, okay, GK, general knowledge, and there is a chapter 62. It's related about lawn tennis, okay. So it's related to sport, okay. Sports, it's very important for us, and lawn tennis is a very popular in the game played, okay. So several countries, okay, it's a very popular game, okay, lawn tennis. So now we are going on some question answer related to this chapter 62, lawn tennis, okay. So now the question number first, okay. Who was the champion of the Australian Open 2019 men's singles? Okay. Who was the champion of the Australian Open 2019 men's singles? The answer is here. The first, Novak Djokovic. Okay. The answer is the Novak Djokovic. Okay. Who was the champion of the Australian Open 2019 men's singles? Okay. Then the next question. The second question is, who was the champion of the Australian Open 2019 women's singles? Okay. The first is the men's single. The second is the women's single. Okay. The answer is the Naomi Osaka. Okay, the answer is the Naomi Osaka. So, who is the champion of the Australian Open 2019 women's singles? The answer is the Naomi Osaka. Okay. Then the next question. Okay, the third question. Who were the champion of the Australian Open 2019 mixed doubles? Okay, mixed doubles. So what's the answer? The answer is the Barbora. The answer is the Barbora Krejcikova. Okay, Rajiv Ram. Okay, the answer is 3. Barbora Krejcikova and the Rajiv Ram. Okay, it's the doubles. Okay, mixed doubles game. Okay, who was the champion of the Australian Open 2019 mixed doubles? The answer is the Barbora Krejcikova and the Rajiv Ram. Okay. Then the next question. The answer number 4. Who was the champion of the French Open 2019 men's single? Okay. Who was the champion of the French Open 2019 men's single? The answer is Rafael Nadal. Okay, the answer is Rafael Nadal. Okay, Miss who was the French Open 2019 men's singles. Okay. Then the question number 5. The who won the 6th Wimbledon and the 21st major title? Who won her 6th Wimbledon? Okay, 6th Wimbledon and the 21st major title. 21st major title. The answer is Serena Williams. Okay, Serena Williams. Okay. So who was the won her the 6th Wimbledon and the 21st major title? Okay, Serena Williams. Then the next, who won the ASEAN Junior Tennis Championship title held in the October 2018? Okay, means who was the ASEAN Junior Tennis Championship title held in October 2018? The answer is the Siddhant Bantiya. Okay, the answer is the Siddhant Bantiya. Okay, who was the Asian Junior Tennis Championship title held in October 2018. Okay. Then the next question. The next question, 7th question number. Who were the women's doubles champion of the 2019 US Open tournament? Okay. Who were the women's doubles championship of 2019 US Open tournament? Okay. The name is the 7. Alice Martins. Okay. The answer is the Alice Martins and the Belarus Ariana Sabalenka. Okay, the answer is the Alice Martins and the Belarus Ariana Sabalenka. Okay, so then the next question, we are on the question number 8. Who were the mixed double champions? Who were the mixed double championships of 2019 US Open tournament? Okay, who were the mixed double champions of 2019 US Open tournament? US Open tournament. Okay, the answer is the Jamie Murray and Bethany Mattek-Sands. Okay, Jamie Murray and Bethany Mattek-Sands. Okay, the answer is 8. Who was the mixed double champion? Who were the mixed double champion of the 2019 US Open tournament? Okay. Then the next question. We are on the 9th question number. Which Indian tennis player has been awarded the Arjun Award 2019? Okay, which Indian tennis player who got the Arjun Award in 2019? The award is the Rohan Bopanna. Okay, the answer is the Rohan Bopanna. Okay. So who got the Arjun Award? Okay, the best award for the sport. Okay, Arjun Award. The answer is the Rohan Bopanna. Okay. Then the answer number 10. Who created the history by becoming the first Indian female tennis player to achieve the world number 1 rank in a doubles category? Okay. The answer is the Sania Mirza. Okay, the answer is the Sania Mirza. Means who created the history by becoming the first Indian woman female tennis. Okay, to achieve the world number 1 rank and in a double category. Is the Sania Mirza. Okay, what's the answer? The Sania Mirza. Okay, so our chapter number 62 lawn tennis is over. Then we are on the next chapter. Okay, chapter number 63, Indian sports personalities. Okay, so we are on that. Okay, then we are on the next chapter, chapter number 63, Indian sports personalities. Okay, Indian sports personalities. Okay, so now we know about the sports. Okay, sports is very important for anyone. Okay, means the games, playing a sports, playing a game. It's a very important. It's a builder not only a body but our mind also. So soul as well. Okay, so India is the home of the diverse, popular, playing many different sports. Okay, so across the country. So now we are on that. Okay, so chapter number 63. Okay, it's a related to standard 6 English medium and the subject is GK. 263 sports personalities. Okay. The question 1. Okay. She became the first Indian to win a badminton world championship gold by beating familiar rivers Nozomi Okuara of Japan. Okay, the name of her PV Sindhu. Okay, the name of her PV Sindhu. Okay. Then the next question. She is the 6th times world champion and the Indian boxing legend. Okay, Indian boxing legend who claimed gold medal at 23rd President Cup held in Labuan Bajo, Indonesia. Okay, so the name of her. The second number is the name of her Mary Kom. Okay, the who was India's boxing legend. Okay, the answer is Mary Kom. Then the 3 number, who won 5 gold medal in less than 3 weeks. Okay, 5 gold medal less than 3 weeks on European circuits. She is also known as India's Dang Express. Okay, India's Dang Express. So the name of her Hima Das. Okay, the name of her Hima Das. Okay, who achieved a 5 gold medal in less than 3 weeks. Okay, then the next is the question number 4. She is an Indian sprinter who won a gold medal in women's 100 meter in World Universiade 13th Summer University Games held in Nepal, Italy. With this win, she became the first Indian woman track and field athlete to do so. Okay, the answer is her name is Datte Chandra. Okay, the answer is Datte Chandra. So answer. Okay, then we are on the next question. Okay, the question is who was awarded coveted international shooting sport federation, means the ISSF. Okay, Blue Cross. With this he became the first Indian to be awarded the Blue Cross. Okay, awarded the Blue Cross. The answer is Abhinav Bindra. Okay, the answer is Abhinav Bindra. Then the next question, the 6th number question, who has secreted the history by becoming the first Indian man to win a gold medal at Wushu World Championships. Okay, Wushu World Championship. So the answer is Praveen Kumar. Answer is Praveen Kumar. Then we are on the next question. The name the 3 Indian who have won a gold in a single edition of the ISF World Cup final. Okay, so the 3 champion. Okay, the 3 champion is the name of the 3 Indian who have won the gold in a single edition of the ISSF. Okay, World Cup finals. So the answer is Manu Bhaker. Okay, Manu Bhaker. Then the Alvinil Valarivan. Okay, and the then answer is the Manu Bhaker, Ilevinil, Valarivan, and Devyans Singh Pawar. Okay, the great Indian who have won the gold in a single edition of the ISSF. Okay, so it's the chapter number 63, Indian sports personalities related the great Indians. Okay, the great Indians popular players. So they achieve their goal. Okay, so this chapter number 63, Indian sports personalities, is over. Okay, thank you.